Today we take a closer look at the recently updated Toyota Vios. And this is a car that needs no introduction because this has been the best-selling car in the last 10 years. Now they say every Filipino has a Tito Boy, and I'm willing to bet that every Filipino knows someone who owns a Toyota Vios. And the added bonus is, this is made right here in the Philippines, in TMP's manufacturing plant in Santa Rosa, Laguna. The most prominent change to the updated Vios would be found at the front. Gone are the projector headlights. You now get 3-tier LEDs with integrated DRLs for all 1.5-liter variants, which I think are way better than the DRLs of the previous version. Those look like they were bought from CDR King. All 1.3-liter models get 4-beam halogens. The XE models and above also get LED fog lamps. Another welcome change is the grille and bumper design, which now gives it a more aggressive look. Along the side, things are pretty much the same. You get side mirrors with turn indicators and 16-inch wheels on the 1.5-liter variants. The wheels on the 1.3-liter models are an inch smaller, but still suits the car quite well. At the back, the 1.5-liter variants also get these sleek-looking combination tail lamps, which gives the car a more upscale look. All other variants get standard tail lamps. The Vios has one of the biggest trunks in its class, with 478 liters. So stepping inside the Vios, you'll see that this isn't the type of interior that'll make you drool. But if it's functionality and practicality that you're after, then this has got you covered. You get analog gauges with a blue and white backlight and this infotainment screen. The 7-inch system comes with a CD and MP3 player. It's just quite odd how you can't see the button to retract the screen when it's tilted in order to insert or eject your CD. Although I don't think many people use CDs these days. This head unit also has WebLink for iOS and Android phones, Bluetooth and auxiliary inputs. Now the materials lean more towards the durable side, but at least the touch points are fairly soft. On the range-topping version, you also get paddle shifters and drive modes, where you can select Eco if you prioritize fuel economy and Power if you want to live life on the fast lane. Other features include vehicle stability control and hill start assist control. The top-of-the-line variants also have keyless entry with push-button start. All variants come with front and knee airbags for the front occupants. The 1.3E models and above come with side and curtain airbags in addition. Now that's class-leading. At the back, you'll see that there's heaps of room back here. I have this seat adjusted pretty far back, and yet there's ample legroom. There's also more than enough headroom. And the center tunnel is non-existent. This has a totally flat floor. As far as toys are concerned, you don't get much. No armrest, no rear vents, no charge ports. But you do get individual headrests, seat pockets at the back, and 3-point ELR seat belts for each of the passengers, plus ISOFIX tethers. Under the hood, you get Toyota's trusty dual VVTi engine that's available as a 1.3 or a 1.5 liter. The 1.3 liter pumps out 98 horsepower with 123 newton meters of torque, while the 1.5 liter pumps out 106 horsepower with 140 newton meters of torque. Now, these engines can be mated to a CVT or a 5-speed manual gearbox. being a bestseller, Toyota isn't resting on its laurels. Competition is fierce, and what used to be a bland and boring segment is radically evolving. Thankfully, the Vios is keeping up.